What's popping, guys? Welcome back to my channel again. My name is Christopher Corinthian. Welcome to a funny video channel again. Today I'm going to react to funny animals compilation, guys. Let's go. Because I received requests from my friend saying that, Chris, can you please react to funny animal video? So let's get it done, guys. Today I'm going to react to it. I can't wait to react to it, guys. So let's get it. What? Is this a real sound of the dog? Durian. Ew. No way. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. All about cat, huh? Yeah, and some dogs. What is this? I don't get it. Okay, he'll do that. He can't get out. Oh, the mice! Oh! What? It wants to bath, I think. What?
钱，果然你这笑容都不一样了。
Alright. Alright guys, so it was super funny, but I didn't get some of them, so yeah, it's okay. At least it was fun watching. And yeah, so if you like this video, make sure to smash the like button, hit that subscribe button, and remember to share to all your friends, your family, your pets, your dogs, your ducks, your giraffe, your crocodile, elephant, your zebra, your dinosaurs, your whale, your shark, and everything, guys. If you have a seal, make sure to share this video to it, guys. Make sure to comment below what should I react to next. Spam it if you want me to react to a video. Alright, make sure to spam it and make sure to check out my new song, Vampire, right? Yeah, alright. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Well, no, 4 peace up, guys.